Good morning, second graders. Happy Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. Thank you for all of my birthday surprises yesterday. It definitely brightened my day, even from a distance. Today, you have your special rotation schedule. I linked in the Schoology link so that you can go in and check what you need to do for today. So today is April 21st. You're going to start with your specials just like we do every morning. Reading, you're going to do week 33. You're going to read with someone for 30 minutes in your house. It could be anyone that you want. It could even be your dog if you want to. You're going to write for page 20. You're going to do the frog. Take your lunch and recess break. Math 180, day 137. You have your brain pop today. It is down currently. Hopefully it'll be back up soon. But in the time being, you can do the blue quadrilateral sort. Today for Tuesday of week 33, you have your daily language review. If you've not yet done this, please take a minute now to do that, and then we will go over it. Alright, if you've completed, you may unpause it and continue. Number 1 and 2, you're correcting the sentences. I have some cupcakes. Do you want one? So I need to be capitalized, have some cupcakes, comma, do you want one? So you can do this two ways. I would say you can do I have some cupcakes, comma, do you want one, question mark, or I have some cupcakes, period, then capitalize do you want one, question mark. A old man sitted on the bench and eated an apple. An, because when there's a vowel that starts the next word, it has to be an, so capital A and an old man sat on the bench and ate an apple, period. Which word is spelled correctly? Yue over mini. The right word is over. Which word is the opposite of now? Something that happens now would probably, the opposite would be next. Actually, I'm sorry, it would be then. Now and then are the opposites. Even teachers make mistakes. I didn't look at that one correctly. Now and then. What happened now, what happened then. What causes the baby to laugh? My baby sister always laughs when I make funny faces. When I make funny faces is what causes the baby to laugh. Go ahead and tally that one up. Read for 30 minutes. Find someone in your house to read with. Find a fun book. Maybe make a fort. Maybe read with a flashlight. Make it fun. For writing today, you're going to write about the frog. The who or what, did what, where, when, why. Now, remember when you fill in these parts up here, all of this information up here has to go in the sentence you write down here. Math 180, you are doing day 142. If you have not completed this yet, please take a minute to do so now. Alright, looking at number 1, round 91 to the nearest 10. So if we look at the ones place, when we round to the nearest 10, since it is less than 5, we're going to round down, so the nearest 10 would be 90. 83 plus 45, 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12, that makes it 128. What is the difference between 45 and 20? 45 minus 20, hopefully you wrote that out. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. The answer is 25. Blank plus 10 equals 19. 9 plus 10 equals 19. Name the shape. If you count the sides, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We learned the other day that's a polygon, that is an octagon. Circle the smaller container. The smaller container would be the mug. Now, hopefully you didn't get tricked on this one. The number of bags goes up by 2, so make sure you pay attention to that. If half of the kids with rolling backpacks decide to get shoulder bags instead, what will be the new total of kids with shoulder bags? So if we look at rolling backpacks, there are a total of 8 kiddos who had rolling backpacks. If we know our double stacks, half of that is 4. So if we add 4 more plus the 2 that are already here, that would make a total of 6. 6 kids with shoulder backpacks. Would you wear a jacket or a bathing suit when it's 90 degrees out? Hopefully you are at the pool wearing a bathing suit. Go ahead and tally it up here. Remember to grade in a different color. This is your sort for today. You are sorting if it's a quadrilateral or not a quadrilateral. We talked about yesterday what makes a quadrilateral. See if you can remember. You can do it. Don't give up. Let's talk about it. I know it's been rough. I know yesterday it was hard when they announced that we are going to continue doing distance learning for the rest of the school year. I miss you guys terribly, and I can only imagine how hard it is on you guys to miss me as well. We're going to get through this, and we'll do it together. We'll talk about it more as I know more, and I'll pass it on to you. Have a great Tuesday, kiddos.